Every day we pay tax. We pay tax in salary. We pay tax when you do it grocery. And we pay tax when we buy goods. But sometimes we can have bonus, such tax reduction. But today I will speak about two of them. Tax deduction and tax credit. But which one is the best? Hi, I'm Danny St. Germain, and today I will speak about tax credit and tax deduction. Both of these reduce your tax, but to do it with two different ways. The tax credit reduces it via a percentage, and the tax reduction reduces it via an amount. But we will separate it with 3 points. First, I will speak about tax credit. Second, I will speak via the tax reduction. And finally, I will compare of these two reduction tax by explaining why the best you have to take. But first, let's start with the tax credit. A tax credit reduces your tax liability. It reduces your bill dollar per dollar. The tax credit comes with a percentage, example 25%, 6%, or whatever. The tax example, if you have a tax income of $100 and you have a tax credit of 25%, you can reduce 25% of your tax income, so you save at the end $25. That's the best deal, eh? But the best deal you can have is to have a height rise of your tax credit. As an example, I will rotate $100 for your tax income. Then I receive $150 in tax credit, so you will get a refund of $50. That's the only thing of this tax can do. This tax return, but it's very rare. Also, this tax we can find it at when you buy a house, when you have insurance. This is very common in USA. So now let's go to the tax reduction. A tax deduction is a type of tax you reduce your tax loan by an amount. Unlike the tax credit, this tax is limited to a person's tax liability, which means it can reduce below the minimum tax rate it has to pay. And also, it means that you can't receive refund. But this tax, however, is very practical when you have a high mountain of tax liability. Example, the more tax income you have, the more income you can receive with the tax deduction. Which is the best? Is the tax credit or the tax deduction? In fact, it's a good question. Both of them have their own advantage. But if you have a big tax income, I will choose the tax credit. Why? Because the tax credit, you can save much more money when the biggest tax income. But be careful, if you choose it too many times, 1 year you can pay the price. 1 year you can't save any more tax. However, if you have a lower tax income, I will choose the tax reduction. So that's all about my presentation about tax credit and tax deduction. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.